Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2013. The question is the line graph L of G of a simple graph G is defined as follows. Okay, so we are drawing a graph called as a line graph for a simple graph G. Okay, so there exists one vertex V in line graph G for each vertex of E in G. Okay, so so I think it will be better if we draw a small diagram, right? Yes, so let us draw the smallest diagram to be clear. So a cycle. Okay, yes, so it is a 4, right? So 4 vertices are there. Okay, so this is our simple graph and we are trying to convert it into line graph, right? Yes, so there is exactly one vertex V of E in line graph of G for each edge in G. So basically each and every line is converted as an vertex here. Okay, so that is what the first statement says, right? Yes, so I have understood it and we have completed the process. So the next step says that for any two edge in E and E dash in G, okay, so any two edges in between E and E has an edge between VE comma VE dash. Okay, if and only if E and E dash are adjacent with the same vertex in G. Okay, so basically what exactly is this line graph doing is it is converting its vertices to edges, guys. That's it, and the connections are keeping exactly same, right? Yes, so now let us go through the options. Okay, so option P. Okay, so PQRS. Okay, so P says that the line graph of a cycle is a cycle. Oh my god, so this is going to be the most appropriate answer, guys. So because I gave a cycle as an input and I got an output as a cycle, so P is 100% true. So I can eliminate C from here, right? Yes. Okay, so moving on to the Q, the line graph of a clique is a clique. Okay, so we'll be checking it soon, so don't worry. So option R says that the line graph of a planar graph is a planar. Okay, so I think this is satisfied, right? So both of them are planar. So basically R is also possible, I think so, right? Yes. Okay, so R could be have the potential. Okay, similarly moving on, the line graph of a tree is a tree. Okay, so I think all the options seems to be a bit satisfying, right? Okay, so anyway, let us go through option B first. Okay, so what is a clique, guys? So clique is nothing but if we take a small complete graph, okay, so in that graph if we are having a small subset which is also complete, so that is nothing but a clique, right? Yes. Okay, so let us try taking an example for that, guys. Okay, so let us assume this as our complete graph, guys. Okay, so we will also check the planar thing also here itself. So this is a planar graph, right? Yes, so the thing is we are going to convert these edges into vertices, right? So 1 2 3. Oh my god, this is a bit tough, right? Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god, it's messing my brain now. Okay, yes, so let us continue anyway. Okay, yes, so there is an edge in between these two guys and these two guys, so this is a vertex here. Okay, so for sure this will be there, right? Yes. Okay, okay, so once this is there, this particular vertex has been locked inside, right? Yes, so that is the reason why I think we can eliminate option R, guys. So if R has been removed, so A and D could be the potential right answers, right? Yes, because once I have converted, so this became a dot here, 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 this became a dot here. So once we have connected these four guys, so we cannot connect this guy with this all, right? So because it is interiorly locked out, right? Yes, so with that understanding we can eliminate option R, right? Yes, so moving on. So what else we need to check, guys? We need to check with respect to tree also, right? So tree. Okay, so what is a tree? So this is a tree. Okay, so if I try to get two nodes, so these will be the nodes. Okay, and these two guys will be connected. So it will be, okay, so this is thing and this will be the thing, right? Yes, so is this a tree? We can say it is a tree, right? Yes, so the thing which how we can confirm that it is not a tree is only when we can convert it, right? Yes. Okay, so let us take a random tree, guys. I think only with those random shapes, so they did not say binary tree or anything, right? Yes, so let us assume this as our tree. So this is a node, 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 this is a node. So these two guys are connected, these two guys are connected, these two guys are connected. Okay, so is this a tree now? The answer is no, right? Yes. So this is not a tree. Okay, so when it comes to clique, okay, so let us draw a small graph in this way, right, guys? Okay, yes. So this is a complete graph, right? Yes, this is also a complete graph. So if we convert it into some other thing, okay, or okay, so better let us take this, guys. Okay, so at this time there are 4 complete cliques, right? Yes. So if we convert it into this line graph, so it will look in this way, right? So we will have one node here and the other node will be from exteriorly. Okay, so why is this that much tough, guys? I don't know exactly, but this is a bit tough, guys, to convert these things, right? So this point, this point, this point, this point, so all of these guys will be connected. So this is our diagram, and if we assume here is one node and here is one node, okay, so and at that time that particular node is connected by these two guys, right? So just give me a second, I'll be just showing you. So these two guys are connecting. So basically if these two guys are connecting, so it's in this way. So basically it will also be connected in this way and this will also be connected in this way, right? Or am I wrong? Okay, so let me read it again. So for any two edges E1 and E dash in G, L of G has an edge between V of E and V dash if and only if E and E dash are incident with the same vertex. Okay, so let us try it again. So I think for these type of diagrams, if we give names, it will be really easy, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E and F. So basically A, B, C, D, E and F are our nodes. So basically 2 is connecting A and B, right? So 2 is connecting A and B, 3 is connecting D and B. So it is connecting D and B. Similarly 4 is connecting CD. So done. Similarly this is connecting 1 and 2. Done. So this is done, right? Yes. So basically we are done with these 4, right? Indirectly, yes. So E is also connecting 4 and 2, right? Yes. Okay, so I think I need to concentrate again, right? Yes. Okay, so basically 3 is being connected by this edge and this edge. So basically 1 and 2, sorry, my bad. So F and B are connected. Okay, similarly F and B are connected. Similarly F and A are connected. Similarly is F and C connected, guys? Yes, F and C is also connected and F and D is also connected. Similarly E and A is connected, E and B is connected. Okay, so it's indirectly connecting everyone, right? Okay, so if you observe here, so previously it is having a clique as well as now also it is having clique, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So the funny thing is, so if S is wrong, obviously A will be the correct answer, right? Yes. So Q is obviously wrong based on that understanding, right? Yes. I'm not getting a clear example for this, guys. I'm sorry for that. But A will be the potential correct answer, right? Because there is no option for that particular thing. Got it? Yes. Okay, so now you got some basic idea with respect to this question, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us go through the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.